To create your KChat chatbot, you need to access the KChat dashboard. You can get there from the KChat page on our website. You simply click on the icon. You can also see that the website is called kchat.website. From here, the first thing you do is you need to sign up an account and verify your email address. Once you do that, then you can log into your account. The first thing you need to do is to purchase a plan. Even if you want to try it, you have to buy the basic plan so that you can try to see how KChat will work out for you. To do that, you click on the plan, enter your credit card information, and pay, and that will give you access to all of the different functions for you to create your first KChat chatbot. After making the payment, you see that the color of your plan will change. That means you're subscribed. Now you're ready to create your chatbot. The first thing you need to do is you need to upload your knowledge base. And your knowledge base comes from your Curator app. You can see Curator has 3 sections, and your knowledge base is created under the WordPress KBucket files. You can create a file, attach a number of different collections or channels to it, and then click on the 3 dots and use this link here, copy, upload WordPress link. You create the link, you go over to your knowledge base, you say add knowledge base, you give it a name, and this one is Optimal Access Website. Then copy the URL. You always need to have a website URL in here, even if you're using the source link, which I will explain later. But if you're using WordPress as a landing page, then you need to give the address for your landing page. And turn on the sync feature. This will allow the content to be updated as you add new links to your curator and create the knowledge base. Creating the knowledge base may take a little while, maybe up to 30 seconds or a minute, depending on the size of your knowledge base. Once the knowledge base is created, you want to make sure that you are also turning on the sync feature down here so that your content is regularly updated as you update your curator. After creating the knowledge base, we are now ready to create our first chatbot. Add a chatbot, give it a name. Mine is KChat. Choose a language model. What we are offering today is the ChatGPT 3.5, but we can attach other models in here in the future. Right now, the consideration is the cost. Select your knowledge base. You can have more than one knowledge base, and then your outbound link. Either it's your WordPress pop-up link, which is the content library on your website, or you can directly link to the source URL. I'm going to choose the WordPress content link. You can choose the context, whether you want the context of the selected reference link displayed or not, and then create your chatbot. After you create your chatbot, you're now ready to customize the appearance. Click on the chatbot appearance. You can customize the color of your chatbot and the text and the initial message. This is really important. You want to tell people the type of questions that they can ask. I am KChat. Ask me about curator, KBucket, KChat, content marketing, and artificial intelligence. I also have some tool suggestions. Right, so people can ask relevant questions, then update the appearance. We can go back and close this. Now you can very quickly and easily test your chatbot directly here in the KChat app. You can see this is the appearance, this is the opening message. Now I can say, how do I get started with Curator? And then it's going to take a look at the knowledge base and come up with an appropriate answer. The thinking may take a few seconds, and you can see here to get started with Curator, you need to install, register, and set up the browser. And then there is a link to the source, and when people click on it, they're going to land on our landing page over here, which has a video of Curator. Notice that if I now close this and change this to source link and click on update, and now ask the same question, how do I get started with Curator, you're going to get the same answer. Now the source is YouTube, which is where the video is hosted. It's really easy to get started with Curator and create your knowledge base and offer an intelligent interface or a conversational interface to your content. The next section in your chatbot is your analytics, where here you can see the usage statistics as well as your chat logs. You can download the chat logs. Here you can understand how people are interacting with your chatbot, what type of questions they're asking, so you can add new content. The chatbot also is going to prompt users to leave their email. So if you have any users who leave their emails, you will get a list of the leads here, which you can again download and use for your marketing purposes. It's a very powerful tool for creating a new conversational interface to your content and using it to grow your marketing efforts and your connection to your audience.